Dear viewers, in this video we see the introduction to lipid metabolism. Triacylglycerols are the most predominant storage form of energy. There are two main benefits for fat being the energy reserve of the body. First is triacylglycerols are highly reduced form of energy yielding 9 kilocalorie per gram, and they are non-polar and hydrophobic in nature, hence stored in pure form without any association with water. For these reasons, 1 gram of fat stored in the body yields nearly 6 times as much energy as 1 gram of glycogen. In a healthy adult individual, about 10 to 11 kg of fat is stored, which corresponds to a fuel reserve of 1 lakh calorie. If this much of energy were to be stored as glycogen, then the weight of person would increase by at least 60 kilograms. This is why fat has been chosen as a fuel reserve during evolution. The fuel reserve in the form of fat stores will meet the energy requirements for several weeks of food deprivation in man. Hibernating animals provide good example for utilizing fat reserve as fuel. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you very much.